The average weekly pay of a footballer at a certain club was £80 on the 1st of August 1960. By the 1st of August 1985, this had risen to £2,000. The average weekly pay of a footballer at this club can be modelled by the equation P equals A times K to the power T, where P is the average weekly pay T years after the 1st of August 1960, and A and K are constants. Write down the value of A. Show that the value of K is 1.137411, correct to 6 decimal places. Use this model to predict the year in which on the 1st of August the average weekly pay of a footballer at this club will first exceed £100,000. So I've got the summary here of the question. So we need to write down the value A for A part 1. So here we know that initially when T is 0, P is £80. So 80 is equal to A times K to the power T is 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1, so 1 times A is equal to £80. So we can write that down straight away. A is 80. Okay. So A is the value 80. Okay, part 2, show that K equals, so let's put the second initial condition in now. 2000 then, in here, is equal to A, which is 80, times K to the power T, and we're told that T is 1985, 25 years on from 1960. It's £2,000, so T is 25. So let's divide by 10 both sides, and then move the 8 from times to divide. 200 over 8 is 25, so we can write that down straight away as equal to K to the power 25. Okay, so what have we got here then? Take the 25th root, because it's power 25, so that tells us then that K to the 25th root will just give us back K to the power 1, is 25 to the 1 over 25. So we need to type that in the calculator then. 25 to the power 1 divided by 25 equals 1.137411. 1.137411, and that's to 6 decimal places. That's what we wanted to show. What year will the weekly wage be greater than £100,000? So now we know K, we've got P is equal to A, 80, e to the K, T. Now let's put in P as £100,000 then here. This is part B. So 100,000 is equal to that, is equal to, and I need to write this correctly, it's K to the power T. So let's divide by 10 both sides. We've got then 10,000 over 8, which is 1,250 if you tap it in the calculator, is equal to K to the T. So then we know that that will tell us, to get the logarithm, T is equal to the log, and basically this K moves down to be the base number here. Log K of 1250 will give us the time. So let's tap that in as answer, which I should have pressed answer. I should have pressed equals. I've got it. So let's delete that. So let's just do log to our answer. Oops, cancel. Log of the base number to the answer of 1250, 1250 equals 55.38. 55.38. So it's between the 55th and the 56th year. So it's going to first exceed 100k at the end when it's 56. So T is equal to 56 years, giving the year Add 56 onto 1960 and we get 2016. 1960 plus 56 is equal to 2016.